guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do my first impression slash review of the Ever Bilena Matte Lipstick, and I got the shade in Toast of New York. Okay, madami na ako napanood na review ng Ever Bilena and marami nagsasabi na maganda daw siya. So, I decided to try it for myself since nung nag-grocery kami, nakita ko may Ever Bilena dun sa SM, sa loob ng SM. And it's only 165, so we can never go wrong. Ano to, I also saw kasi on one of the posts sa isang Facebook group na sinalihan ko ng mga makeup lovers, ito daw is a dupe for a MAC twig. I haven't seen that, I haven't used that, pero nakita ko lang yung picture doon sa post nung nag-post yung isang member doon. So sabi ko, mukhang interesting, mukhang same, and since bet ko yung color niya, so why not try it. Ito yung color niya, but the exact shade is this one. So yeah, mga ganito naman yung mga bet kong color. So I'll try to wear it today, throughout the day, since yun, may lakad kami and for sure kakain kami. So we will put this to the test. I'm not expecting so much. Hindi ganun ka-high yung expectation ko since it's only 165, but we'll see. This is my first ever Bilena lipstick. So yeah, lagyan na natin. I don't have anything on my lips. Hindi ko nakasanayan mag lip balm or mag moisturizer, and sometimes dry yung lips ko, I know, pero yeah, we'll see how it goes. Sana smooth lang siya mag-glide sa lips. I don't have a mirror here, so dito titingin sa cellphone ko, ha. Ito, nalagyan pa ata yung ngipin ko. The color payoff, as you can see, hindi siya ganun. I was expecting na pigmented siya. Para ang hirap ng walang mirror, pero pwede na. It takes more than one swipe para makuha mo yung color talaga. Let's do a swatch pala sa kamay. Yan. So, one swipe is like that. So, two swipes. Yan. Ito talaga yung shade na gusto ko. So, we'll put this to the test. Let's see up close. Okay. So, yun. I'll get back to you later. What time is it? I don't even know the time. Sige, I'll get back to you. It's 9:36. Kaya maniwala na lang kayo sa akin. Wala akong mapapatang relo. But it's 9:36 and yeah, we'll put this to the test for the rest of the day. Okay, just a quick update, guys. It's already 11:30 and I feel so oily. It's 11:30, 2 hours have passed, and kumain ako ng carbonara and uminom ng iced tea without using a straw, straight from the cup or the glass. And ayan siya. In fairness, nandyan pa rin yung color niya. Although, yung carbonara was yung medyo soupy yung sauce niya. So, I had to, anong tawag doon? Slurp pa yung, yung pasta. Pero, so far, I was expecting na wala na yung color niya, pero nandiyan pa pala. And hindi ko pala na-mention kanina, after applying it, it doesn't feel dry. Actually, for a matte lipstick, medyo, siya, creamy yung texture niya. So, I don't know, ba't ganun? So, it means di siya ganun ka-matte. Sige, let's do a kiss test. Oops, it transfers. So, yeah. I'll get back to you later. Hi guys, I'm back for an update, and this will be my last update na because it's already 5:15. It's roughly 8 hours. It's been 8 hours on my lips, and as you can see, wala na siya. For lunch kanina, I had KFC chicken. So, medyo oily. And then, soft drinks. Uminom ako through straw. And then, ano pa, bumili kami ng halo-halo while we were out. So, yun din, basa. So, nag-fade off na siya, which I totally expect kasi wala namang lipstick na tumatagal talaga sa akin. But, yeah. In fairness naman, hindi nag-dry yung lips ko. Hindi siya nag-sink in sa mga wrinkles or sa lines ng lips. Hindi siya drying. Yun yung magandang part doon. But, in terms of longevity, hindi naman din sila nag-claim na long-lasting. So, it's okay. Oops, I'm sorry. So, for a 165, I think, this lipstick is good enough. For the price and the color, it's okay. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end my update right now. Dito na sa part ng video kasi useless na ako mag-retouch since I'm back home and I want to wash all my face makeup off. So, yes, you can see Zach is there. So, I hope you enjoyed watching, guys. I'm sorry. This is just a very casual review or first impression. Gusto ko lang ma-document. Baka makatulong. So, yeah, if it did help, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!